Good morning, everybody. Tom Lay with Optimum Ed. Again, it's Friday, and of course, that means Facebook Live here at Optimum Ed. You know, one of the things that we've been dealing with more and more frequently with the students that we work with are helping young people that have some sort of disability find a way forward, whether that's through education or training, and discover that career that really helps them feel fulfilled. And I think that's really an important topic. And for a lot of families, it may be something that they're dealing with, but they don't know exactly what are the resources that are out there that can help them. And one of the things we want to talk about today is individual education plans and 504 plans. So that is really kind of the catch terminology when it comes to the extended support that children can receive in schools. And we have with us today a very special guest and someone who can speak eloquently, I am sure, about this subject. And it's Kevin Mueller. He is with the law firm Winslow and McCurry. He is an educational attorney. So for those of us who don't really know what an educational attorney does, I would like to at least ask him that. Thank you for being with us, Kevin, today. So what is an educational attorney?
An educational attorney assists parents basically with every step of the process, getting the child the services and supports they need.
Okay.
Generally speaking, if the child is struggling in school, you can request eligibility determination to see, are they struggling because they have a disability, because there's something holding them back? If that's determined that they do, then they can receive an individualized education plan, IEP.
Right.
And that gets them the services then in the classroom to help them perform better, to perform at the same level as basically the other students.
Okay.
If they're not struggling but they have a disability, then they can get what's known as a 504 plan.
Okay.
That gets them the same access to education. Standard that comes to mind would be if they're in a wheelchair and they need a ramp put in to get into class. It gets them that access to that education.
That's a 504.
Correct.
Okay. But if they need additional assistance in the classroom,
then that would be,
or say they're getting ready to take an SAT test and they need more time, that would fall under the
IEP.
IEP.
Standard thing you see with tests is additional test time.